Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn about how to find LCM by common division method. By common division method. Till now we had been using prime factorization. Okay. Now we are going to use common division method. This is very easy. If you learn this, if you understand the concept of common division method for prime factorization, you will not do at all because this is very simple. Okay. Only thing you have to understand it properly. Okay, now I have taken very small numbers 8, 12 and 24. Common division, common जैसे कि prime factorization में we put L ना, this is common means for all the numbers एक L जाएगा बड़ा वाला. Okay, so first we have to see only we have to divide only by the prime numbers. Okay, so first thing we have to start with 2. So how many times it goes? 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 12s are 24. Okay, again एक L, again 2 से जाएगा, 2 2s are 4, then 2 3s are 6 and 2 6 are 12. आपको ये करना है. दिस इज वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ अभी आप 2 से जाएगा 2 एंड 2 से 6 जाएगा, लेकिन 3 तो नहीं जाएगा, है ना. सो बट स्टिल यू हैव टू कंप्लीट बाय 2. जितने भी 2 से जाएगा पहले उसको कर लो. 2 1s are 2, लेकिन 3 तो नहीं जाएगा. तो अभी क्या करना है, यू हैव टू राइट द सेम नंबर. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट द सेम नंबर. हियर 2 3s are 6. Okay, now there is no number that can be divisible by 2. So what we have to do, we have to go for the next prime number, that is 3. So 1 तो नहीं जाएगा, 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Same like prime numbers, you have to continue till you get the number 1 at the last. ठीक है. इसमें एक पॉइंट आपको याद रखना है, जिस नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं होगा तो उसमें सेम नंबर ही डालना है. दैट इज़ द मेन इम्पॉर्टेंट स्टेप हियर. ओके, तब 2 इफ़ यू आर स्टार्टिंग विथ 2, अब 2 में जितने भी नंबर्स डिवाइड होगा सबको करने के बाद देन यू गो टू द नेक्स्ट प्राइम नंबर. क्लियर. नाउ हाउ विल यू फाइंड द एलसीएम? वेरी सिंपल. दिस नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करो. सो how will you do this? LCM is equal to LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so what is 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 2 3s are 6. So what is 6 4s are 24. So what is the LCM here? Final LCM is equal to 24. Is it not simple? I'll explain you again. If you are taking the numbers, you are dividing all the numbers. देखो इसमें टाइम भी सेव हो जाएगा आपको और जल्दी भी काम हो जाएगा. So all the numbers division. You are dividing all 3 numbers at the same time. आप 3 4 numbers भी कर सकते हो. So find क्या करोगे? Then here you take the common divisible number. So that is 2. So first 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12, 2 12s are 20. First up हो गया. Again all these numbers are divisible by 2. So again you take 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6 are 12. Then coming to the next one, the 2 will be divisible by 2, 6 will be divisible by 2. What about 3? 3 is not divisible by 2. So आप क्या करोगे? आप you will put the same number here. समझ गए? So 2 1s are 2, 3 cannot be divisible, so you put the 3 as it is, then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 3s are, so 2 तो हो गया, मतलब ख़त्म. 2 से again you cannot divide any number, so you go to the next prime number, that is 3. 1 you cannot divide, so you write it 1 is only. 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. So till you get the last as 1 1 1, you will continue. Now how will you find the LCM? Very simple. Whichever prime numbers you have divided, those prime numbers को आप multiply करोगे. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So I am splitting into 2 से ताकि easy हो जाएगा आपको multiply करने में. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 4 6 are 24. LCM is equal to 24. Understood? Can we do one more sum so that you will understand this very clearly? Again, I am going to take only small numbers. Say for example, I am taking 5, 15 I am taking, 25 and 40. 15, 25 and 40. I'll write it again if it is not clear for you. 15, 25, 40. Okay, 15, 25, 40. Now first we have to start with 2. So 2 से एक नंबर भी अगर डिवाइड होगा then you have to start only with 2. So 2 से करोगे 15 cannot be divided, so आप 15 ही डालोगे. 25 cannot be divided, so again 25 ही डालोगे. Then 40 can be divided by 2 how many times? 20. Then again 2, again 15 cannot be divided, 15. 25 cannot be divided, 25. 20 can be divided 10 times, right? Then again 2, 15, again 25, 5 times. Okay, now what is the next one? 15 can be divided by 3, so 3 जाएगा how many times? 5 times. 25 and 5. Now 2 say no number will be divisible by 2, no number will be divisible by 3. Now we will go to next prime number, that is 5. Okay, so how many times it goes? 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. Then again this 5 is remaining, you will divide by 5, 1, 1, 1. So you have to continue till you get the numbers as 1, 1, 1. Understood? I will repeat you again. You are taking the numbers 15, 25, 40. So 40 is divisible by 2. So we are starting by 2. So 15 it is not divisible, तो आप 15 ही डालोगे. 25 is not divisible, 25 ही डालोगे. 40 is divisible how many times? 20 times. Now coming next again 20 is again divisible by 2. So you start with 2. How many times? 15 again same. Again 25 same. 2 tens are 20. Then again 10 is divisible by 2. You start with 2. Again 15. Again 25. Again 5 आएगा. 2 5s are 10. Now all these numbers are not divisible by 2. So we go to the next prime number. What is the next prime number? That is 3. So 15 can be divided how many times? 5 times. So 25 cannot be divided same. 5 cannot be divided same. Then comes 5 because all these numbers cannot be divisible by 3. So you go to the next prime number, that is 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 fives are 25. 5 ones are 5 again. Okay, then you have to convert this as 1. So you have to divide by 5. So you get the final answer as quotient as 1, 1, 1. That's all. We will stop. Now how will you find the LCM? You have to multiply all. Okay, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, how will you do this multiplication? I'll just explain you. I think I can I'll rub this and then I will do this. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, so now what you have to do? You have to multiply. You have to. I'm just separating into 3. So okay, it will be easy for you to multiply. So 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 5 5s are 25. Again multiply. Okay, 4 6 are 24. Then what is left here? Into 25. आप multiply करोगे 25 multiplied by 24. 5 4s are 20, 100. 25 2s are 50, that is you get 600. Okay, so what is the LCM here? LCM is equal to 600. Understood? Is it not easy? Try once. Tomorrow, see the video today. Tomorrow I will send you the assignment. Okay, today you have no homework, you have to just view the video. Okay, bye.